folks, we've got ourselves a very special match here. Okay, go ahead. Get to your respective gears, please. Tiger, we need you in the red and the orange gear, please. So, starting with our blue gear, it's here to take a bite out of you and a bite out of your robot. We have Alma the Robot Dog. And in the orange gear, this bot's gonna rip you limb from limb and chew you up. We've got the great Robo Tiger. Alma, are you ready? Robo Tiger, are you ready? You ready? All right. Judges, are you ready? All right, let's start our countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's rumble, robots. All right, great Robo Tiger engaging that tail whip a little early. He's gonna try and trip up Robo Dog. Oh, hit him with the tail. Oh, right into him. Oh, getting trodden upon by the Robot Dog. Oh, styling on him now. Are you gonna take it? Oh, it's stomped on. Oh, the humanity. Oh, hitting him with his tail though. Robo Tiger. Come on, you gotta hit him with that tail. Try and swipe out those legs. Oh, almost. Oh, he's got the tail bend. Oh, he's trying to climb his way out, but he can't do it. All right, he lets up the pin. Robo Tiger trying to come in with another whack, trying to lift it up. Oh! And he's tripped the dog! Oh, and it's back up! Back up, ready for round 2. Oh, he's got tangled in there. Trying to knock it over. Oh! Oh, and he's set on the Robo Tiger! Oh, that's just dirty, folks. Tiger can't do anything. Oh, he's peeled off the Milwaukee sticker too. We'll have to get 2 next time. He's sticking that Tiger in the walk path. Considering his next move. Is he driving out of the arena? No. What's next? Oh, he's dancing on you. Go on, Robo Tiger. Okay, jamming his tail in there. Oh, and he's rolled over. Oh, trying to flip over. Can't flip over, the wall's over there. Oh, he makes it. He's back up, ready to go. Oh, pushing him around into the wall, stomping on that tail. Just over 30 seconds left here in this match. Oh, into the wall. Little bit of a miss on Robo Tiger. Oh, almost tripping him up, not quite. Taking those last seconds to make impressions on the judges. And Robo Dog sitting on him again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,